Let's talk your Impact Day forecast on your Tuesday night. It's another chance for storms tonight, and I really hope our friends in our eastern counties get a break.
Yeah, Lainey, how bad are we expecting the storms to be?
Well, for tonight, I do think they're going to be very spotty across the area. So we are hopeful, as Devontae said, that they're not over those areas that dealt with so much flooding from Chantal. Now, you're taking a look at Alamance County right now, where the skies are pretty sunny across the region, and there's a fair amount of sunshine all around. Now, as we go through this week, though, less sunshine and more storm coverage is in the forecast. In fact, not only just storms, but possibly some severe storms, and they'll carry a wind threat, but we'll also have that risk of flooding between now and Thursday. Storm chances will lower some as we get closer to the weekend. The temperatures will come down some too, and that'll be nice because we're in the low to mid 90s across the area right now. 93 in Burlington, 94 Lexington, Winston-Salem, low 90s from Reidsville out toward Mount Airy, and then you factor in that humid air and you've got heat index values that are in the triple digits in Reidsville, Burlington, Danville. As a matter of fact, that heat advisory is going to stay up until 8 o'clock tonight for Alamance County as well as Caswell counties, where the heat index could reach more than 105 degrees. So hopefully you're taking breaks in the shade out there this afternoon. Dew points are in the low 70s, so that air is very humid, a lot of moisture in it, and that's why we're capable of pulling down a lot of rain with any storm that is in the area. It's pretty quiet though right now, so no storms developing in our immediate area at this point. We do have that marginal risk for severe thunderstorms, so any storms that do develop have the potential to become severe, and they have the potential to flood. So we're in that marginal risk for rainfall. Notice though that as we go from today into tomorrow, we jump from marginal to slight risk. So a higher category or threat for excessive rainfall exists for tomorrow. So as a result, we've got a flood watch that has been posted for the area, and that means we're on alert right now, especially for tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night, that we could go into kind of a flash flood warning mode again, and that is if some of those heavier storm cells bring those downpours. Some 1 to 2 inches of rain on saturated ground would likely send us into some flash flood warnings. So we'll be watching that as we transition into tomorrow and the storms become a little more widespread. Right now there's a lot of storm activity to our south and there's a lot to our north, and we're sort of in between. So this is kind of a favorable location for us to be in when you start talking about instability, but it doesn't mean we'll be storm free. We may see a few of them develop, especially it looks like as we trend toward nighttime. So as we get to that 8, 9, 10 o'clock hour, we may see just a few spotty storms move through tonight. So again, we've got a slight risk heading into tomorrow. So we go from marginal risk today to that slight risk area that is a threat level 2 out of 5. That includes Charlotte, the Triad, all the way up to Richmond and Roanoke, and we also see that flood threat go up too across central North Carolina and Virginia tomorrow. So our severe storm threats for tomorrow include flash flooding as our highest concern and damaging wind gusts from any storms that do develop. So this is how it will likely play out through tonight. We may see a couple spotty storms around. It'll be quiet through tomorrow morning, and then quiet again as we head toward lunchtime. We'll see some of these storms developing, but watch the explosion of storms as we get into the afternoon and then specifically into tomorrow night as we see some of those kind of transitioning to the east, and we'll see our storm chances going up as we go through the day. So scattered storms, severe risk, flood risk. Temperatures are down a little bit, upper 80s tomorrow afternoon, upper 80s in the foothills as well. Light breeze, storm threat here in the afternoon and evening. And then for the mountains, we also have a chance for severe thunderstorms and the possibility of flooding. So as you look at the 7-day forecast, you're going to see those storm chances pretty high at 60% coverage across the area, meaning most folks will be impacted by storms Wednesday and Thursday. Storm chances come down a little bit as we get closer to the weekend, but it is still going to be hanging around that kind of stormy pattern even into next week.
Next